cha, 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 Igbo kweni, oe. Cha, 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 Igbo kweni, oe. Cha, 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 Igbo kweni, oe. Abia kweni, oe. Anambra kweni, oe. Ebonyi kweni, oe. Enugu kweni, oe. Imo kweni, oe. Nigeria kwezuo no. Hello, friends and family and loved ones. I welcome you once again to our Igbo segment. This is one of you, Mr. B.O., a full-fledged Igbo son and teacher of Igbo language, and also general issues that concern our lives in society. All right, the last time we met here, we discussed the Igbo alphabet. I was able to point to you, or rather read out to you, I was able to read out to you the Igbo alphabet. I pointed all the words for you to understand how the Igbo alphabet look like. In Igbo, the Igbo alphabet is called Mkpụrụ Edemede Igbo. Don't worry, I'm going to write down all this when I'm kind of putting certain things on the system, on the computer. I'll be able to put the words down for you so that once you see them, you will know that they are exactly what I taught you. All right. Now, I would like you also to note this. Before you will be able to understand a language that is foreign to you, the first thing you have to do is to understand the alphabet. It's very, very important. If you cannot understand the alphabets of that very language, you will not be able to understand that language. Because the language you hear, that foreign language you hear people speak, the foundation is laid on the alphabet. So if you're able to master the alphabet, then you'll be able to speak the language. Not just speaking the language, you'll be able to make parables. You'll be able to make adage. Yeah, this which is the same as parables. You'll be able to make idioms and understand them when they are made or spoken where you are. So that's just it. So I have dedicated myself to make sure that all the foreigners or non-Igbo natives who do not understand Igbo language will be able to understand Igbo language. When I say understand, they'll be able to speak. They will hear when they are spoken to. They will speak. They will write. They will also make adage and idioms in Igbo language. I assure you that we'll get there someday. All I need is your rapt attention. Then the sky is our starting point. That is our launch pad to achieving what we need to achieve. All right. Now, today I'm still going to talk about a little bit about the alphabet. Remember the last time we met, I told you that when next we're going to meet, I would have composed and mastered a song with the alphabet so that by the time I sing the song repeatedly, you'll be able to master the song. Once you master the song, then it will be easier for you to be able to read, because whatever you sing or whatever you read out, you'll be able to put it down on your own with little or no supervision. Just trust me. I'm dedicated to making sure that you understand this language at the end of our Igbo lectures. All right, let's have a touch on it once again. Just as I said a few moments ago, Mkpụrụ Edemede Igbo. What it means is Igbo alphabet. Wherever you hear this Mkpụrụ Edemede Igbo, it means Igbo alphabet. Okay, now let's take a look again on the alphabet before we move over to the song. A, you have small a here attached. B, you have small b attached. Chi, you have small chi attached. D, you have small d attached. A, you have small a attached. Fi, you have small fi attached. G, you have small G attached. B, you have small B attached. R, you have small R attached here. Gui, you have small Gui attached here. He, you have small He attached here. E, you have small E also attached here. A, you can see between E and A, capital E does not have any dot, while capital A has a dot at the bottom. Then small letter of A has a dot both on top of it and at the bottom of it. G have no dot at the head, the capital. Then the small letter has a dot on the top or on the head. Then this is K. See the small K. B. See the small B. Qui. See the small Qui. Le. See the small Le. Me. See the small me. Ne. See the small ne. Nge. You can see between the difference between nge and the ne. They look alike, but the difference here is that the big ne has an indicator on the head or on the top. Then the small ne also has indicator on the head or on the top. Why ne? Both ne, the big ne and small ne, do not have any indicator. This is we. See the small letter. This is ye. See the small letter. This is o. See the small letter. This is o. Now, this is o. This is o. You know, one is kind of light. One is heavier. This is lighter than this. This is heavier than this. Now, this o has a dot on the bottom. The big o. Small o also has a dot on its bottom. P, small p. Re, small re. C, small c. She, small she. T, small t. O, no, sorry. U, small u. O, small o. You can see that this O, big O, has a dot at its bottom. So also is the small one. While U, both the big and small letters do not have the dot on their bottoms. Now, look at this one. This is V, small v. W, small w. Y, small y. Z, small z. All right. If you take a look at this, you see some words that come in pairs, like this chi, we, re, gui, pe, qui, we, ni, she. I think that's all. That's all. All right. There's a name they are called. They are called, those ones that come in pairs in the Igbo alphabet, they are called diphthongs. Diphthongs. Okay? Then O's, O's, Is, I will talk about that when next we meet. They fall under vowel sound. Then when you remove vowel sound, O, U, A, E, O, then all you've got there left are consonants. We'll talk about those ones in our next episode. So that's just now. Let's get straight to the song before time catches us. Now let's sing. You have to sing along with me now. Abechidi efigi gwi I eji kekpekwele meni nwenyi o ope reshisi ti u viwiyeze. Let's take it again. Abichidi efigi wiwi I eji kekpele. Sorry. Abichidi efigi wiwi I eji kekpekwele meni winyi o pe re si shi ti u wi eze. Again, abichidi efigi gwi iji kekpekwele meni winyi uopi resishi ti viwiyeze. Okay, guys, when we meet, we'll talk about consonants, diphthongs, and vowels. I will go deeper into it. All right, bye.